Ang taas of expectation sa inyo ngayon? Considering your past two films are really big hit.
To be honest, hindi ko alam, but until now, I still feel pressured. When they gave the movie to us, I was really pressured, especially knowing that it would be with Direk Cathy, because when everybody knows that it's a Direk Cathy Garcia film, blockbuster hit agad, yung sobrang nakakakilig, and I don't know if I will be able to deliver what they expect. But all I can say is I hope that they will enjoy the movie and that they can feel the realness of everything and see the effort that we put into creating the film.
Ayun po. Enrique. May toothpick ka, joke.
Yes, yung wisdom tooth niya palabas. So may wisdom na to si Enrique.
Yeah, the same thing pa. Actually, kasi pag napapressure ka, lalo kang nawawala sa sarili, the more you parang the point siguro of accepting the movies na maglabas ng magandang project or magandang pelikula para sa mga tao. So, dapat yun ang nasa isip mo na pag nasaktan ka rin sa eksena to, malamang yung manonood, malalaking masasaktan din. So, yun ang dapat kesa sa ma-meet yung expectations ng tao. I think that's more ang dapat mindset. Yun.
Okay, nung kinausap namin yung management, ang sabi nila sa amin is, huwag muna magsalita.